Alright, y'all, so today we are out here doing part one of the $50 mini bike frame build. We found this frame out in Lemon Valley where we met this guy. Thought we met this guy out at Buggerama, which is sadly no longer a thing because they closed off the track. But anyway, we're going to be figuring out the brakes because in the YouTube short we had a drum brake on it, but fortunately, me and my dad broke it messing around. So, today we ordered a new drum brake. We got this brake cable here that we are going to try and set up. It should be fairly easy today. And then we do have this old racing motor that we use for our Outlaw carts, which is called box stock. But unfortunately, they don't race these out in town no more, so we're going to be trying to attempt to use it for this mini bike. So right here, we need to get a straight intake that comes out this way so the carburetor doesn't hit the tire. And then also, we need to build like a little bracket so it sits up and not this valve cover sit on the frame. And then we also need to extend the little bracket under there. So today should be fairly easy, and yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so I just finished putting on the spacers, as you can see in there, and right there. So I'm going to be taking this flat bar, and we're going to be trying to mount it on this little bracket that's in there. So we're going to take the flat bar, we're going to mark it all the way to here, and then this little circular piece we'll push down just so it meets up exactly in line with the with this bracket up here, and then that keeps it from moving when you brake. And then after that, I'll set up the brake cable, and yeah, it should be fairly easy. Alright, so me and my pops finished up the brakes right here. Just gonna run one over here. And so what we did is we actually made a little bracket right here and we just welded it. Not the cleanest balls, but it's alright. And you just pick up the cable and put them through here. And right there. So, yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like the vids. Thank you.